Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start now, confirm your device has more than 50% charge and that you made a full backup. Once done, download the exact DTB file for your model and verify the checksum so you avoid mismatches. Connect with a reliable USB cable and enable the device's debug or boot mode. You need the correct tools at hand, install the flashing utility on your PC, and trust the right drivers. This prevents common failures and saves time later. Once the device is in bootloader or fast boot mode, open your flashing utility and select the target partition for the device tree blob. You specify the DTB file and begin the write. Watch the progress bar and console output closely. If the tool shows a checksum or signature step, verify it completes. Make sure to avoid interrupting power or USB during this middle phase. An incomplete write corrupts boot behavior. If prompted, rerun the write until the utility reports success. After flashing, reboot first to bootloader and then to normal mode. Watch boot logs and confirm the system reaches the home screen. You should restore saved configs and test Wi-Fi, sensors, and peripherals to ensure the new DTB matches hardware. If the device fails to boot, don't panic, enter recovery or fast boot and reflash the original backup. DTB or try an alternate verified build. One key tip: if you see repeated boot loops, check for a mismatched.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.